Ah, brothers, let's do something exciting tonight. We got our hands on a big lobster. Brother, is the fire ready? Let's grill the lobster first as today's breakfast. Okay, stop using that fishing net for now, and come over to eat the lobster. Wow, there's really a lot of meat. There's still quite a bit of meat in the pot. Wow, shall we, after we're done eating, return the stove bowl to me, gather it up, and we'll process it for tinkering. These lobster shells, although there's not much meat left, we shouldn't waste them. Let's put them into this old fishing net. Receive 500 more. Crush it to release the smell, making it easier to disperse. A simple bait like this is ready. Let's go and deploy it. Let's put this bait made from dragonfly heads into the pit. When the tide rises, it will attract many miscellaneous fish. Right now it's just low tide. Xiaoli, let's go catch seafood. Oh wow, such a big little catfish. We've just got it right at the start. Wow, almost missed it. Caught another small grouper. Come on, Xiaoli. Let's have some lobster sashimi. There's a big one down here. It's low tide, it can't escape. Let's have some sashimi and take a break. We can wait for it. Hurry up. It really is fresh. What are you doing? So engrossed. Look. Over here. Wow. This is a female crab. It's all just paper. I'll let it go. Oh, there's nothing in here. The small fish made a big mess. There's a big cuttlefish down here. Wow. 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 Such a big cuttlefish will have meat for dinner tonight. It's all ink. Wow. Let's go. I'll take it back. Brothers,
兄弟们，我们的火已经烧好了啊！
Let's
现在把
grill
这些
these
海货
seafood.
给它烤上。
It's really cold.
现在真的是
And we're hungry.
又冷又饿呀！
Wow.
还有
Let's
两个
also
小花
grill
花
these two little
也给它烤
spiral
上。
shells. We have already
这条
cleaned
大
this
墨鱼
big crocodile.
我们也已经给它清理好了。
Now let's hang it up to dry.
把它给晾晒起来。
We'll lay it on this straw
我
mat
们就
for
给它晾
future
在这个
needs.
草帘上，以备不
It
时
is
之
indeed
需
a。bit cold today.
这天实在是有些冷了，
So after drying it,
我们晾晒完，先去烤
we'll go
火。
warm up by the fire. Xiaoli,
小李，
the
这
fish
鱼已
is
经烤
done
好了，
grilling.
来，
Come,
我们先
let's
吃一
eat
些。
some first.
来，小鱼。
This sea snail is so fresh. You catch it and eat it. After finishing, tidy up the clothes. Did I catch a commode?